I release and I let go. 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 I release and I let
I'm Sarah, and I'm releasing anger about the things I cannot control.
I'm Amichai. For this new year, I release regrets.
Shana Tova, I'm Shira. This year for the new year, I release inhibition and fear of growth.
Hi, I'm Louis, and I'm releasing my discomfort around discomfort.
I'm Naomi, and on this new year, I release judgment.
I'm Sam, and I am releasing resistance to change.
I'm Marika, and this new year, I'm releasing urgency.
and I let go. I release and I let go.
Join us to begin a better new year together. 5782, release and renew. Shana Tova.